Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning into another JD channel video, in which today I bought something off of Amazon and it showed up, so let's unbox it. Part of my new camera equipment. Let's check it out. Alright, so what we got here is a wireless shooting grip. I was gonna buy the Sony one to complement my new rig, but I decided, rather than spending $140 on the shooting control, let's see how this works. Reviews wise, it looks like somebody has the same camera, so I'm hoping this is pretty good. This compared to the Sony one was $49 and I had a coupon, so I think like $45, maybe even less. So let's take a look at what's inside and then charge it up. Open this up. Seems like this is decent, and it's Bluetooth, so the camera is Bluetooth, so it should correspond with it. Let's see quality. It's even sealed, which most of my new products don't seem to be sealed. Kind of happy here. Oh, well, actually, looks pretty decent. So it has multiple controls on it. It is a tripod, which is kind of nice. Just like the Sony one. Except the Sony one you can't separate from the tripod. So let's see here. Just stand it up just to show what it looks like. I mean, obviously you could tell it's cheaper than the Sony one, but let's take out the remotes. Let's see here. How do I disengage this without breaking it? I guess I just put my finger in this hook. Alright, pull it down. So as you can see, it has multiple functions. You put still a movie, then you get to focus, and the special, basically, what is this? The customizable button, which I have on my new camera. I wonder if autofocus function will work. Lock it so it doesn't get accidentally turned on. Then this one, once you set it into a mode of, oh crud. Once you set it into a mode of either pictures or movies, you put in movie, then this of course is gonna do record. Then you do still, this is gonna take pictures. Zoom and focus. Now let's see, the battery's already in there. Oh, actually it's outside, so I'm gonna put the battery in. Open it with the door here. Oh, well, I'll grab that in a second. It's kind of interesting doing all this with one hand, but I was gonna charge it, but I realized, wait, the battery's here, so I don't need to charge it. Pretty much just keep changing batteries. This takes, let's see here. What kind of battery is this? Oh, 2032, which is most of my remote batteries for the cars. So that's not bad. Let's install this. Let me put the camera down for a second. Call this the JJC TPS1. Like I said, I mean, there's been decent reviews on it, so for being a cheap one, I'm hoping it is good. Let's insert the battery in here. See if it's lights up. Is the lock on? The lock is on. So, all right. So it works. Turn off. Wait, and there we are. Now let me get the battery door back on. Go under the table. All right, it's right there. Put that back on. And let me pair it to the camera, which looks like it's a few simple steps. Just, dang, really hard with one hand. Okay, it's not on. see here. Oh, close to the right, and I thought I did that. Let's see, line this up. Okay, shit. Let's try to put this on this way. Put this down, I guess. Alright, I got my camera on. Now let's pair this up. So I'm going to hit menu. Basically, I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. Alright. And what the? Hold on. Maybe it's in the... I haven't really fiddled with this yet. There you go, Bluetooth settings. Alright, so we're going to go to pairing. So turn on the Bluetooth function. Oops. Alright. Now to pair. Alright, so hit the shutter button and the towards focus, or the T. Hold it for 7 seconds, it says. Let's see what it says here. Let's try this again. For at least 7 seconds. Let's try it again. Okay. Alright. So it found it. I guess BTRS21, I've never heard that reference. Or is this really called the S21? I forgot. It's called a TPS21. So yes, that is it. Alright, so now let's try this out. I go back into the camera mode, hit menu. Put one of those rubberized things. I probably shouldn't have because it's pretty lousy. Let's adjust the camera. Ooh, that wasn't pleasant, but at least the thing was there. Alright, let's adjust the tilt on the camera. Oops. You just hit this button here on the top to adjust the tilt. Make sure it doesn't go too far. Sorry, the other way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the camera so I can give it a test if it's working. Pull out the screen. What I like about this thing is you can tilt up the screen, take off the cover. Alright, there I am. Okay, hold on, let me adjust the screen. Alright, now that I have it up, we're going to use the remote and see how it works. I'm going to set it to movie so it knows to record. Hit the button and see if it's recording. Alright, now it's paired. Okay, go back to the camera. Hit the menu button, menu. There we go. Now let's see. Now this should record. Come on. May I zoom? Is it telling the camera to zoom? No, it's not. Uh-oh. This is not really working. This is kind of crappy. At least, I don't know. Actually, let's try it. No. Alright, after going into the Bluetooth function, I paired it. And then to enable it, which I couldn't figure out for the life of me, was I turn on Bluetooth remote control. I go from off to on. And now, with this, you hit this. And there we are. It's recording. Testing video. Not bad. It's actually surprised me. That's why it wasn't working. See if it zooms. Ooh, yeah. And focus, of course. Turn it off. Nice.